Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So, on the daily, I've been saying that I think this is an A, this is a B, and potentially this is going up for a wave C. A wave C is supposed to be an impulsive wave, and it really doesn't look that impulsive. This right here looks impulsive, so there's a chance that it's like a wave one, it goes down, makes a wave two, and then goes up and makes a wave three, four, and five like that. But we do have to be a little bit cautious with that with our bolus analysis because the monthly and the weekly is definitely still down. If we get a 61% fib bounce, which it looks like it is trying to do, if it makes an engulfing move to the downside and holds, it could easily just continue this weekly, monthly time frame downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, zooming out a little bit. So, like I said, if there's like an impulsive wave one in here somewhere, and this is actually like an A, and there's a B, and it potentially goes down for a C, down to a Fibonacci level, and then turns back up, that could be a wave two, and then potentially could just keep on going up for a wave three, like I showed on the daily. If for whatever reason the weekly, monthly time frame downtrend does continue, it may still bounce from a fib level, but you likely will not get a break of structure. You'll just get like a normal fib bounce, and it'll just keep on making lower lows, lower highs. So definitely keep an eye out on your Fibonacci levels. Definitely keep an eye out on your structure, and hopefully that will keep you trading in the right direction. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpercoletta.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.